Welcome back. In today's class, we will be going into the real income and real wages, the definition and formula. The definition of real income is the amount of goods and services an individual or household can afford to purchase with their income, adjusted for inflation. It represents the purchasing power of income considering changes in the general price level of goods and services in the economy over time. The formula for calculating real income is as follows. Real income equals nominal income divided by the price index. Nominal income is the income earned by an individual or household in nominal terms without adjusting for inflation. The price index is a measure of the average level of prices for goods and services in the economy, such as the Consumer Price Index, CPI, or the Personal Consumption Expenditures, PCE Index. Now, let's move on to the definition of real wages. Real wages represent the purchasing power of wages or salaries earned by workers, adjusted for inflation. It measures the amount of goods and services that can be purchased with a given wage level, accounting for changes in the cost of living. The formula for calculating real wages is similar to that of real income. Real wages equals nominal wages divided by the price index. Nominal wages are the wages or salaries earned by workers in nominal terms, without adjusting for inflation. The price index is a measure of the average level of prices for goods and services in the economy. It's important to note that real income and real wages provide a more accurate measure of individuals' or workers' purchasing power compared to nominal income and wages. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next class.